Just updated to iOS 26 and want to make your control center more useful? In this quick how-to fast tutorial, I'll show you how to customize your control center, so your favorite shortcuts are always just a swipe away. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Next, touch and hold the empty space right below your control center shortcuts. An Add a Control option will appear at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the Add a Control option, and you'll see a list of extra shortcuts you can add, like screen recording, dark mode, or Shazam. In iOS 26, Apple redesigned this section, making it easier than ever to add, remove, or move your controls. Scroll down for more shortcuts, and you'll find a list of new options like Quick Notes, Translate, Live Camera, Apple Intelligence, and many more cool and helpful shortcuts. Simply tap on the icon of a shortcut to instantly add any control to your control center. To rearrange, tap and hold the icon of each control and drag it where you want. You can also group related tools like Focus, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth for faster access. Now swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice the new stacked layout in iOS 26, showing more shortcuts at once, fully personalized to your needs. And that's it. You just learned how to customize the new control center in iOS 26. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more quick how-to fast tutorials.